All right, here's one for the history books. In 1932, Australia fought a war, not against another nation, but against emus. Yes, the big flightless birds. So what started this avian showdown? Farmers in Western Australia were facing a massive problem. After World War I, ex-soldiers turned farmers found their wheat crops overrun by 20,000 migrating emus. The birds, hungry and oblivious to borders, gobbled up precious crops at alarming rates. So the government got involved. Enter the Australian military, armed with machine guns. Sounds extreme, right? But wait, it gets better. The emus didn't exactly retreat. Turns out they were way more strategic than anyone expected, splitting into smaller groups to avoid fire. Machine guns jammed, and the emus outran the soldiers using, get this, speed and zigzagging flight paths. The military operation failed so epically that newspapers called it the Great Emu War. After nearly a month of bird versus human chaos, the emus won. That's right. Australia surrendered to emus. Moral of the story? Never underestimate a bird with long legs and survival instincts. Don't forget to like and share if you love absurd history. Factual.